This message is being broadcast by NYTV. Numerous sightings have been declared. The sightings are of a 15-year-old female with pointy ears, gold eyes, and lavender hair. She was spotted at a local McDonald's with an unidentified person. If this girl comes into your house, let her in. She is not hostile unless you anger or provoke her. The female has been identified as Amity.
Hello? Wait, who is this?
This is Amity Blight. I am here to tell you that you are safe. I will protect you. Do not be afraid. You are safe. Thank you for your time.